Welcome! If you want to change video quality into screen recording into your VIVO V20, first step it's open Settings and find Shortcuts and Accessibility option, this one. Click it, and here we got as capture option first in the list. In this option we got screen recording block option, and then need to click, for example, click picture quality, and then choose your quality, for example, high. And when you choose, it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.